For magazine layout, it's common on a cover to do a gate fold or a shorter flap fold where you may have an advertisement that folds out on the right. It could be full page, it could be shorter. In this case, we're going to make a shorter one. So through the Pages panel, I'm going to start by adding a new page. When I hit the New Page button, it automatically goes after page 1, creating a new page 2. I'm going to double-click on Spread 1 to select it and go to the Pages panel menu, the 4 little lines with the down arrow. And I'm going to uncheck Allow Selected Spread to Shuffle. Shuffling means only move the pages up or down. By turning off Allow Selected Spread to Shuffle, you can make other pages part of this spread. So when I uncheck it, you'll notice brackets appear around page 1. Once I see the brackets, I can drag page 2 up so it's very close, and now I have a fold-out on the right of the cover. I've built a library for you of folding items that we'll use, so I'll choose File, Open, and from Chapter 7, open the Folding Library. Now before I bring out this flap, I'm going to switch to my Page tool. The Page tool was added in InDesign CS5, and it will let me click on this new spread for the flap fold that I created and adjust the width to be different. I'm going to make the width 4.2 inches and press Return or Enter, and here you can see I have my shorter flap fold. I'll go back to my Selection tool and I'll drag and drop out my right flap and position that in the bleeds. And there we have it, my completed cover. Now next, I want to build a trifold brochure from scratch, but we'll use our library items to make assembly quicker. So I'll start with a File, New Document, and I'll uncheck Facing Pages. I'm going to make the orientation landscape, but I want 3 panels in this trifold. So I'll click after the inches in 11 and type /3 to divide by 3. When I hit Tab, InDesign does the math for me. That's how large each panel needs to be. I'll make it a total of 6 pages, 3 panels for the front and 3 for the back. And I'll set the margins to 0.25, 1/4 of an inch. I always do bleed of 1/8 of an inch in case I need it, and a slug for job-specific notes of 1 inch on the bottom only. I'll click Save Preset and call this trifold Letter. And I'll click OK again. And here you could see in the Pages panel, I've got 6 pages. Now I want to assemble 1, 2, and 3 to be a unit, and 4, 5, and 6 to be a unit. So back in the Pages panel menu, I'll turn off Allow Document Pages to Shuffle. That way all the pages in the document aren't just shuffling up or down, they can be combined to build manual spreads. So when I uncheck that, now I can drag 2 and 3 in with page 1, and 5 and 6 in with page 4. And I'll double-click, I'm on spread 1 through 3, and I'll click on the front portion in my library, and I'll choose Place Items. And there they have it, everything perfectly positioned. I'll double-click on the spread 4 through 6, click on the back, hit the panel menu, and choose Place Items. And we've built a flap fold for the cover of a magazine and a trifold front and back by using the shuffling options on the Pages panel, essential for anyone doing magazine content or trifold or accordion fold, also known as island spread layout.